We finished sharpening this is a Benchmade made of 3V. So we were very impressed with this knife sharpener. We loved it. So I recommend everybody get one of these. Just make sure you get those other options with it, the bench mount, the magnet, and the slide guide rail. It'll make it a lot better. So what we're gonna do real quick is we're gonna put this on a strop, and then we're gonna take one final test, because we didn't strop it when we got done. So we're gonna put it on a leather strop for a few passes, and then we'll take some test on the best tester. So this is a horsehide strop. It's an ambush strop. You get them at DLT. Let's take a look at our edge and see how it's looking. It almost looks like I need to work the edge a little more. Let's look at the other side. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to strop for a minute, and then we'll check the sharpness. So I'm just holding the strop up in the air, trying to hold the same angle that I sharpened at. So on our best tester, when we do take a test, 150 to 200 is a razor blade sharp. So that's what we're shooting for, is to get somewhere in that range. Was sharpened on the EdgePro. It was the Apex version of their sharpeners. If you want one, go to edgepro.com. Talk to Cody. So right now we're making some final passes, and then we're going to check our sharpness. By Benchmade 3V steel, so it is a really hard steel. You can get these at Sharpening Supplies. And then the EdgePro Apex, you get that at edgepro.com. Okay, so here we are, same knife. We just got through sharpening it on the Apex, and then we stropped it on a leather strop. No compound. Okay, so here we go. We're going to try to hold the knife straight up and down. $141, so in between 150 and 200 is a utility razor blade. So right now this is sharper than a utility razor blade. Super happy with that number. This tells you how sharp that you can get your knife with this sharpener right here.